In this video, you will learn 11 plus vocabulary list. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to master 11 plus exam techniques to land in your dream grammar school, start right now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Grape variety starts with M. In this picture, we can see a type of grapes. So the word is going to be muscat. The sentence for this word is muscat grapes at the end of the season are the sweetest. Now let's go on to the next one. Minor road starts with B. In this picture, we can see a smaller road in the countryside connecting to a main road. So the word is going to be by road. And the sentence for this word is by roads are normally found in the countryside. So before we go on to the next one, let's recall the previous slide. And the previous slide is muscat. Let's go on to the next one. Scary, frightening starts with C. In this picture, we can see hands grabbing out to this person in the shower, just like in a horror movie. So the word is going to be creepy. Sentence for this word is the new residents in the village got a creepy feeling. Let's recall the previous slide. The previous slide is by road. Let's go on to the next one. Reduce something to its constituent parts in order to reinterpret it. In this picture, we can see an electrical appliance broken down to its constituent parts or the parts that make it up. So the word is going to be deconstruct. And the sentence is the electrician deconstructed the appliance. So in another case, this electrical appliance we have in the picture. Before we go on to the next one, let's recall the previous slide. The previous slide is creepy. Let's go on to the next one. Highly decorated starts with O. In this picture, we can see a palace that's been really decorated. So the word is going to be ornate. The sentence is, my eyes were instantly drawn to the ornate golden ceiling. Let's recall the previous slide. The previous slide is deconstruct. Let's go on to the next one. The next definition is fairly large, starts with S. In this picture, you can see a fairly large fish that's been caught. So the word is going to be sizable. The sentence is, sizable fish can be seen in lakes. And as a result, you can obviously see a sizable fish in the picture. Before we go on to the next one, let's recall the previous slide, which is ornate. Let's go on to the next one. The next definition is less than usual size, underdeveloped, and starts with U. In this picture, we can see a dwarf or an elf. So the word is going to be undersized. Sentences, undersized dolls are available at cheaper price. Let's recall the previous slide, and it is sizable. Let's go on to the next one. Feel a powerful desire for something starts with C. In this picture, we can see a boy focusing on his ice cream as if he's feeling a powerful desire for that ice cream. So the word is going to be crave. And the sentence is, the boys crave for the ice cream. And as you guys could see from the picture, the boy is craving for the ice cream. So let's recall the previous slide, and it is undersized. Let's go on to the next one. In this picture, we can see someone shrinking their eyes or really closing their eyes tightly as if they're in pain. So the word is wince. The sentence for this word is, the pain of cramps in sleep causes you to wince. Let's recall the previous slide, and it is crave. Let's go on to the next one. Strong pole used for mast starts with S. So in this picture, we can see a pole in the middle of a boat. So therefore, the word is going to be spar. And the sentence is, a spar is an upright pole on the center line of a ship or a boat. Now, let's recall the previous slide. And the previous slide is wince. Before we start the quiz, if you guys do want more vocabulary resources, I've got the link in the description for more resources, so go check that out. Now, let's move to quiz time to see how much we have learned. So the first one we have is reduce something to its constituent parts in order to reinterpret it. In this picture, we can see an electronic appliance that has been broken down into pieces. Let's move to the next one. Feel a powerful desire for something starts with C. In this picture, we can see a boy obviously feeling a powerful desire for the ice cream he's having. Let's move to the next one. Shrinking movements out of pain starts with W. In this picture, we can see someone really closing their eyes and really shrinking it as if they're in pain. The next one is highly decorated, starts with O. In this picture, we can see a palace or a mansion that's been really decorated. Now it's time for the results to see how well we did. And here are the results. So the first one we have is deconstruct, the second is crave, the third is wince, and the fourth is ornate. And well done for attempting the quiz, and I hope you got all right. Now to learn more on 11 plus vocab, click the video on the right, and to learn the previous type, click the video on the left. So take your pick. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.